Hello my wonderful family, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we will be making a quick, healthy and delicious bowl of Quaker oats. Did you know that Quaker oats are one of the healthiest breakfast choices you can make? Quaker oats are packed with whole grains, vitamins and minerals that helps to keep you full for the whole day. It helps to maintain healthy cholesterol level, and you know what that means, right? So to begin, place some water on the heat and allow it to come to a boil. Please do not add the oats before the water boils. You will not like the final result. Once the water is boiling, go ahead and add the oats. Start stirring continuously to prevent lumps from forming. This is one of the quickest meals you can put together in 2 to 3 minutes for your family. It is not only perfect for breakfast, but can also be enjoyed as a light dinner. As the oats begin to foam and thicken, you will know they are almost ready. At this point, I added a little more water and allow it to cook for a few more seconds. Next, add some sugar and stir well to combine. Let it cook for 5 seconds so all the seeds can blend in nicely. Can you look at the texture? Look at how thick and browny the texture looks. At this point, it is 100% ready. And just like that, in less than 3 minutes, our oatmeal is ready. Transfer into your plate, serve and enjoy however you like it. I added liquid milk for extra creaminess. If you don't have liquid milk at home, simply mix powdered milk with warm water and you just made yourself your own liquid milk. Just look at how delicious and appetizing this bowl of oats looks. Honestly, while editing this video, I found myself salivating. A feeling I've never experienced before while editing a recipe video. This right here is my favorite breakfast meal. I don't drink pap, I don't drink custard, but when it comes to Quaker oats, I absolutely love it. You can enjoy this with akara, moi moi, bread, fried potatoes, fried plantain, on any side dish you prefer. It can also be eaten on its own depending on your taste. But today I decided to try something different by adding fresh fruits, which is apples and grapes. Trust me, this combination is amazing. If you have strawberries, blueberries or any other fruits, feel free to add them as well. They make the oats even more delicious and nutritious. If you have watched up to this point, please give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. It is totally free. Let me know in the comment section if you found this video helpful and easy to follow. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye.